right, we're gonna go ahead and put your tire back onto your car. Now you have to come up here, line up all your bolts. Can be a little bit of a challenge. Once you get it in there, start putting your nuts on. Go across on both sides. That way it'll kind of help you hold the tire up once it gets there. Make sure you don't lose your nuts there. It's important to keep your nuts all together. Don't want to lose your nuts. All your nuts are installed. You either grab your star wrench or your impact. Door in reverse, forward. Go in a pattern, go straight across. Go across here. Across. Top. Finish at the bottom. And go all around. Lost one.
What? Did that just shear off in the thing?
Alright, like, subscribe.
Wow.
We just had us an issue right on the site. That's how it goes. Sometimes these get old and they go bad. Like, subscribe, leave a comment. Let us know what you thought of that one. That was pretty intense. Looked like we'll be having to put one of these on next. We'll catch up with you guys later. Dang, let's do this.